Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello everyone. Here we have my TCH 830 hinged high security handcuffs. They have the same internal mechanism as the legacy Hyatt models. They have a triple pawl with teeth that stretches across the whole length. To remove the double lock, a bent bobby pin with a small, 4mm right angle bend does the job. When shimming these cuffs, you need to work your way past the initial anti-shim. The best method I have found for this is rocking side to side and the shim slips into position. My shim is 0.33mm made from some feeler gauge. Thanks for watching and stay safe everyone. See you all next time.